Hi all and welcome. My name is Jeff and today we're going to unbox the Hauslane WM-600 European style canopy wall mount range hood. This model comes in two sizes, 30 and 36. It is made from the finest stainless steel and paired with tempered glass finish. It's elegantly designed and incredibly functional for home chefs like you. It's got you covered so you can enjoy prepping whatever is on tonight's menu. Plus, with Hauslane's commitment to free shipping, a solid warranty, and top-notch customer service, upgrading your kitchen just got a whole lot easier. All right, let's see what we've got in this box. So here is the WM-600. This wall mount range hood has a European style. It's made with high-quality stainless steel, adding contemporary touch to your kitchen. This glass range hood can also fit a 10-foot ceiling with our extension kit, which is sold separately. Now for the chefs in the house. You'll appreciate this blower. It's perfect for everyday cooking, boiling, steaming, poaching, and braising. And don't worry about noise. With the specially designed duct system and quiet motor, your kitchen will stay quiet, even when you're cooking up a storm. Now I'm turning it on a low speed setting. And this is the noise level. You can still hear me clearly. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get set up, including 2 easy clean baffle filters, a lower and upper chimney cover, a chimney bracket, and a 6-inch round exhaust adapter to top venting, plus all the screws and bits for installation. Thinking about going ductless? Grab a charcoal filter separately. The oil tray collects grease from the motor and the housing. These baffle filters come with convenient handles and are easy to take out and dishwasher safe for simple cleanup. Plus, the bright, energy-efficient LED lights and push buttons make it easy to see what you're doing and control the fan speeds. So, wrapping it up, the WM-600 isn't just any range hood. It's a mix of sleek style, solid build, and just the right amount of power, ready to handle your everyday needs. Got questions or still couldn't decide on which model? We're here to help. Thinking it's time for a kitchen upgrade? Hauslane's got your back. Don't wait. Make your kitchen the heart of your home.